So I have three servers installed. Now I need to do a basic configuration. So on the first server, once the server is installed, I need to provide the administrator password, and same goes for the other two servers. And so now afterwards, what we need to do is we need to set up IP addresses. So let's log into one of the servers. So I'm going to set up the architecture. So the architecture we are following is this here. And in this architecture, so the three servers are ready. Now we need to set up the name properly. So this name we are going to use, and then IP addresses. And so in this video will be for the basic configuration of a server. So log into the three servers. So it's logging in for the first time. So now when these servers log in for the first time, what we need to do is install VMware tools. Now VMware Workstation version 15 will automatically normally install VMware tools. Let's see. So I'm going to wait for a few moments once it comes back. Because without installing VMware tools, the server will be a bit slow. For that reason, we need VMware tools on this. So okay, so I will initiate the VMware installation on all three servers. So the server is still starting up, and so once you click on install VMware tools, once you install VMware tools, a pop-up message should be here to initiate the installation. So this one is network. I'm just going to click yes on this. So if you're not able to find a CD or VMware tool pop-up message, then you can always go to Windows Explorer and D drive. So in this case, I am going to wait. So how do you go to Windows Explorer? It's right here. So you can open Windows Explorer on all three of them. These servers shouldn't be that slow. I'm not sure why it is slow. So here I am on second server, and so I need to double click on VMware tools. So since once you click on install VMware tools, it appears here, and also it shows a message on the server, but we kind of missed that because I think the progress is a little bit slow on this. And here it starts the visit. All we need to do is next on the screen, and here it is still not open the setup. Okay, so we haven't initiated the setup here. So go to this PC and double click on DVD. And so on this, setup won't show automatically sometimes, especially VMware. So you need to click here. You need to make sure that it's here, and here you just need to just click next till the end, and here it starts. So once VMware tools are installed, this server will be, it won't be this slow. So here, and on this one it is almost done, and on this one it is not started yet, and it's copying the files, And so one indication that VMware tools are installed, you will see this this black sides. This vanishes away. We'll use the full screen. So without VMware tools, the screen is not used to its full resolution. So setup is right here. Sometimes it is on the taskbar. You need to scroll down and see. So what are we doing? So I'll let this installation go, and in the meantime we'll go back to steps till which step we are finished here. So we installed the 3 servers, and so this step is done. And networking we still need to do. Yeah, we need to add 2 network cards to each server. We also need to add a additional disk on first server. So on the first server, so I will let the VMware installation done, and then after that I will continue with the next steps.